This week's genre is poetry, and poetry has a lot of different characteristics. For example, poetry has lines and a stanza, and that's a group of lines within a poem. For example, this particular poem that I'll read to you in just a moment has one stanza, one group of lines. There's not a break between those. As I read this, I want you to listen to the rhythm and the rhyme of those syllables. Listen for rhyming words. You're going to hear be and me and head and bed, and repetition. I don't know that we're necessarily going to hear that in this poem, but a lot of poems will have lines that are repeated. Imagery, alliteration, that's when you use the same letter or sound at the beginning of a word, like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. That would be alliteration, that repeating of that beginning sound. Onomatopoeia is when words that make a sound like pow or bam or zap, they just sound really cool. That's called onomatopoeia. So this poem says, I made myself a snowball, as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. It's kind of a funny poem about a little boy who tried to put a snowball in bed with him. And can you guess what happened? Yeah, it melted. But you could hear kind of that sing-songy, kind of rhymey and rhythm as I'm reading it. And you'll notice like the little breaks, how you get to the end and you heard those rhymes. So we're going to be taking a close look at poetry this week.